I had a storm, hail, rain, wind coming sideways. It was actually leaking that night on the floor. I mean, I had to get a pan and put it under there to catch the dripping. So Monday morning, I called 3 different roofers, and I called my insurance people. I had one roofer locally call back, and I had the JMAR person call back, which was Matt. He came over that afternoon and checked everything out. He said he definitely found damage on the roof. I thought, well, the little Lano fella can meet with the adjuster. So he did. Well, the Lano fellow got up there on the roof with the adjuster and didn't say a word. Evidently just let the adjuster assume his own opinion. Adjuster came down and said, well, ma'am, I don't see anything wrong with your roof. And I said, well, what about all these leaks in the rooms and whatever? I'm sorry, we can't do anything about it. Oh. So the next morning I called the insurance people. I said, hey, I have got to have a second opinion. He said, well, we have to send out the same adjuster. I said, well, by God, I'm having Matt come out this time. So sure enough, Matt met with the adjuster. They went up, they looked all around. Matt showed him everything that he had found. And they came back down, and the adjuster said, well, you know, ma'am, you really do have some problems on your roof. We're going to have to fix those. I said, well, thank God is all I got to say. And thank God for Matt for taking up for me. So when it came time to choose my roofing company, there was no way I was not going to go with Matt and JMAR Roofing. They pretty much got it all done in one day. I've had several rainstorms since then, and I told Matt, I said, everything sounds so tight, like it's not going to just fly off and whatnot. It really sounds good, so it's wonderful work. I've enjoyed working with Matt and Samantha at the office there in Marble Falls. If you need a roofing company, I very much think that JMAR will be fair to you and do you a good job. And they have wonderful people working for them. So that is my opinion.